Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing this microneedling system, this home microneedling system. This was in my test tube beauty box. I think it's been a while ago, but it was in my test tube beauty box, and that's how I got it. You guys wanted to know my thoughts on it, so I do have thoughts. I don't have any before and after pictures for you. I do apologize on that, but I do have my thoughts and opinions, and I did use this for about a month and a half. The serum actually comes like this. This is a serum you apply beforehand. You can see this one is full because I stopped using it, but I used it for about a solid month and a half. This one's completely empty. I feel like I should have been more generous with the amount that I put on, but it just didn't go fast. But this is what it looked like. And I'll take it out of the box to show you up close. You see that? And if you look really, really close, I don't know if you, there we go. Sorry about that. There's little needles here. And you see my glitter. Apologize for that, but there's little needles here, so when you're pressing it, you don't want to press too hard. You're actually poking little needles into your skin. So this is supposed to it says also disinfect roller by soaking in rubbing alcohol before and after each use, which yes, that's very important. But this is supposed to help reduce wrinkles, keep your skin plump and all that stuff. And you know, I don't know that I noticed a huge difference, partly because I do use a lot of serums that do that kind of thing anyway. I do feel like it did reduce some of my fine lines. I do feel like it helped. I don't think that, like, if you're expecting miracles, I don't think that there's any product that really miraculously gets rid of everything. They all reduce, and a combination of reducing helps with your appearance, and yeah, you do look youthful. Did this work? Yes, it did work. My skin is sensitive and delicate, so what I will tell you is that if your skin is more on the delicate side, you really want to be careful, and you don't want to use this too much, because I found that every time that I used it, my skin was definitely way more sensitive and got a little bit more irritated, because I mean, you are essentially poking holes into the surface of your skin. And you don't use this every day, like maybe twice a week, I think it was recommended. But it does improve. That's pretty much all I gotta say about it. I don't really have deep thoughts on it. It does work. It does kind of tenderize your skin a little bit, so just be aware of that. The serum, I will tell you that the serum here is probably what made the difference, because I have seen a lot of these derma rollers floating around, but this serum is supposed to really help with it, and I do believe it did. You can see, like I said, empty, because there was definitely a difference on how my skin reacted to the needling in my skin with the serum versus without, because I did try it because I wanted to see. And so I think that if you're going to get a system like this, make sure there's a serum, make sure you keep it clean, and be regular about it. You might not want to do twice a week. I think once a week is more than sufficient. And that is pretty much it. That is all my thoughts on this. I hope this was useful. If it was, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know if this is something you're going to try and look into. And otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.